Hello everyone, welcome to Stock Lens. Today's video is about India's top Nifty 50 companies, their founders, business sectors, and market capitalization. This video is only for educational purposes. As SEBI Nifty 50 disclaimer line. Nifty 50 companies mentioned here are part of the NSE index and are discussed only for learning, not as investment advice. SEBI main disclaimer. Securities market investments are subject to market risks. Please read all related documents carefully before investing. This content is for education only and is not financial or investment advice. Reliance Industries Limited, founded by Dhirubhai Ambani in 1973. Sector: oil, gas, and consumables. Market cap: 21,09,712 crore rupees. HDFC Bank Limited, founded by Hasmukh Bhai Parekh in 1977. Sector: banking and financial services. Market cap: 15,26,765 crore rupees. Bharti Airtel Limited, founded by Sunil Bharti Mittal in 1995. Sector: telecom. Market cap: 12,67,142 crore rupees. Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, founded by J.R.D. Tata and F.C. Kohli in 1968. Sector: IT services. Market cap: 11,86,660 crore rupees. ICICI Bank Limited, originally founded in 1955, later privatized. Sector: banking and financial services. Market cap: 9,65,734 crore rupees. State Bank of India, SBI, founded in 1955 as a government bank. Sector: banking and financial services. Market cap: 8,92,047 crore rupees. Infosys Limited, founded by N.R. Narayana Murthy and 6 others in 1981. Sector: IT services. Market cap: 6,71,271 crore rupees. Axis Bank Limited, founded in 1993, now a private sector bank. Sector: banking and financial services. Market cap: 3,81,448 crore rupees. Hindustan Unilever Limited, founded in 1933 by the Lever brothers. Sector: FMCG. Market cap: 5,38,033 crore rupees. ITC Limited, founded by William M. Jacks in 1910. Sector: FMCG and diversified. Market cap: 5,04,353 crore rupees. HCL Technologies, founded by Shiv Nadar in 1976. Sector: IT services. Market cap: 4,47,022 crore rupees. Wipro Limited, founded in 1945 by Azim Premji. Sector: IT services. Market cap: 2,78,467 crore rupees. Bajaj Finance Limited, founded by Rahul Bajaj. Sector: financial services. Market cap: 6,19,759 crore rupees. Maruti Suzuki India Limited, founded in 1981, government and Suzuki joint venture. Sector: automobile. Market cap: 5,20,368 crore rupees. Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, founded in 1945 by J.C. and K.C. Mahindra. Sector: automobile. Market cap: 4,51,600 crore rupees. Tata Steel Limited, founded in 1907 by Jamsetji Tata. Sector: metals and mining. Market cap: 2,16,315 crore rupees. ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, founded in 1956 as a government company. Sector: oil and gas. Market cap: 2,98,845 crore rupees. L&T, Larsen and Toubro, founded by Henning Hoek Larsen and Soren Toubro. Sector: infrastructure developers and operators. Market cap: 5,71,063 crore rupees. Titan Company Limited, Founded in 1987. Tata and Tidco joint venture. Sector: consumer durables. Market cap: 3,56,340 crore rupees. Adani Enterprises Limited. Founded by Gautam Adani in 1988. Sector: metals, mining and services. Market cap: 2,71,308 crore rupees.
Kotak Mahindra Bank, founded by Uday Kotak in 1985. Sector: banking and financial services. Market cap: 2,02,321 crore rupees. Shriram Finance Limited, founded by Ramamurthy Tyagarajan. Sector: financial services. Market cap: 1,79,294 crore rupees. Trent Limited, founded by Simone Tata in 1998. Sector: consumer services and retail. Market cap: 1,50,904 crore rupees. Apollo Hospitals Enterprise, founded by Dr. Prathap C. Reddy. Sector: healthcare and hospitals. Market cap: 1,79 crore rupees. Bharat Electronics Limited. BEL, founded in 1954. Government of India Enterprise. Sector: aerospace and defense electronics. Market cap: 2,91,843 crore rupees. Tech Mahindra, founded by Anand Mahindra. Sector: IT software and services. Market cap: 1,56,187 crore rupees. Ultratech Cement Limited, part of Aditya Birla Group, led by Kumar Mangalam Birla. Sector: cement and construction materials. Market cap: 3,46,661 crore rupees. Bajaj Auto Limited, founded by Jamnalal Bajaj. Sector: automobile, two-wheelers, and commercial vehicles. Market cap: 2,62,616 crore rupees. Eternal Zomato Limited, founded by Deepinder Goyal in 2008. Sector: e-commerce and app-based aggregator. Market cap: 2,67,701 crore rupees. Eicher Motors Limited, founded by Vikram Lal. Sector: automobile and components, Royal Enfield brand. Market cap: 1,99,892 crore rupees. Interglobe Aviation Limited. Indigo, founded by Rahul Bhatia and Rakesh Gangwal in 2006. Sector: aviation and airline services. Market cap: 1,96,427 crore rupees. Grasim Industries Limited, founded by Ghanshyam Das Birla. Sector: textiles, cement, and diversified manufacturing. Market cap: 1,94,132 crore rupees. Hindalco Industries Limited, founded by Ghanshyam Das Birla. Sector: non-ferrous metals, aluminium and copper. Market cap: 1,99,104 crore rupees. Tata Consumer Products Limited, founded by Jamsetji N. Tata. Sector: FMCG, tea, coffee, and consumer goods. Market cap: 1,17,162 crore rupees. Tata Motors. Passenger vehicles, founded under JRD Tata. Sector: automobile manufacturing. Market cap: 1,34,534 crore rupees. Max Healthcare Institute Limited, founded by Analjit Singh. Sector: healthcare and hospitals. Market cap: 1,04,427 crore rupees. Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone, APSEZ, founded by Gautam Adani. Sector: infrastructure and port services. Market cap: 3,16,763 crore rupees. Jio Financial Services Limited, part of Reliance Group, backed by Mukesh Ambani. Sector: financial and digital lending services. Market cap: 1,87,005 crore rupees. HDFC Life Insurance Company Limited, founded as a joint venture between HDFC and Standard Life. Sector: insurance and financial protection. Market cap: 1,61,552 crore rupees. SBI Life Insurance Company Limited. Founded in 2000, joint venture of SBI and BNP Paribas Cardiff. Sector, insurance and financial protection. Market cap, 2,02,321 crore rupees. JSW Steel Limited. Founded by Sajan Jindal. Sector, metals and mining. Market cap, 2,70,614 crore rupees. Coal India Limited. Founded 1975, Government of India Enterprise. Sector, energy and coal mining. Market cap, 2,47,125 crore rupees. NTPC Limited. Founded 1975, Government of India Enterprise. Sector, power and energy generation. Market cap, 3,15,190 crore rupees. Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. Founded 1999, Government of India Enterprise. Sector, utilities and power transmission. Market cap, 2,43,025 crore rupees. Asian Paints Limited. Founded by Kiranjeev Lal and others in 1942. Sector, consumer durables and paints. Market cap, 2,63,463 crore rupees. Nestlé India Limited, founded 1950s, Indian subsidiary of Nestlé Global. Sector, FMCG and consumer food products. Market cap, 2,47,306 crore rupees. Cipla Limited, founded by Dr. K. A. Hamied in 1935. Sector, healthcare and pharma. Market cap, 1,21,545 crore rupees. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited, founded by Dr. K. Anji Reddy in 1984. Sector, healthcare and pharma. Market cap, 1,05,456 crore rupees. Bajaj Finserv Limited, part of Bajaj Group. Sector, financial services and insurance. Market cap, 3,20,282 crore rupees. To open a Demat and trading account via Angel One, please check the link in description. Thank you for watching Stock Lens. Please like, share, and subscribe.